Nursing is a vital profession that plays a critical role in the healthcare system, providing care, support, and advocacy for patients. Nurses are often at the forefront of patient care, working tirelessly to ensure that individuals receive the best possible treatment. This demanding field requires a unique combination of skills, including medical knowledge, empathy, and effective communication. Each day, nurses find themselves in situations that demand quick thinking and the ability to adapt to rapidly changing environments, highlighting the importance of their role. One of the defining features of nursing is its diverse range of specialties, allowing nurses to pursue various paths based on their interests and skills. From pediatric nursing, which focuses on the care of infants and children, to geriatric nursing, which caters to the elderly, the options are vast. Additionally, specialized roles like nurse practitioners and clinical nurse specialists allow for advanced practice and increased responsibility. This diversity not only enriches the profession, but also ensures that patients receive comprehensive care tailored to their specific needs. The emotional and psychological aspects of nursing cannot be overlooked, as nurses often form deep connections with their patients. Providing care can be incredibly rewarding, but it can also be challenging, particularly when dealing with difficult diagnoses or end-of-life situations. Nurses must be resilient and possess strong emotional intelligence, as they often serve as advocates for their patients, ensuring that their voices are heard during critical care decisions. This unique relationship fosters a deeper understanding of patient needs, which is essential for effective care.